Greetings folks, this is Victor Haskins again with a third installment of our guided practice on buzzing. This time we're going to work in the low register, and that means the low concert B flat to low E, which is the lowest note on the trumpet before you get to doing pedal tones. So once again, low concert B flat to low concert E, trumpet players, that's low C to low F sharp. The only thing to note about this, besides of course having a fat sound and being in the middle of the pitch, is don't let the tone get saggy or overly airy. Okay, it can do that, especially if you're just beginning working on the low register. It can get kind of airy. Really work on centering the pitches and getting a good consistency to that buzz. You just gotta work on it. So here we go. Use your ears, and once again try to remain relaxed behind the mouthpiece. Everything here should be relaxed, throat's relaxed, chest relaxed, everything should be relaxed. Of course your abdomen is engaged with blowing the air, but everything else should be relaxed. Tongue is relaxed. So here we go. Ooh. Let's go half step down, concert A. Alright, half step down, concert G sharp. Once again, getting that nice core to the sound, that nice core consistency to the sound. Half step down, concert G. Half step down, concert F sharp. Half step down, concert F. Once again, we need to take deep breaths when we're playing these low notes in order to support the notes. We need good air support, which means we need to take a nice deep breath. Don't overfill, make sure you have plenty of air in the tank. Final pitch, concert E. Here we go. And there we go. That's the low register of the trumpet range from low C to low F sharp, low concert B flat to low E. Once again, really try to get that nice fat core to the sound. Don't let the pitch waver. If you're first starting out on working on the low register, know that you're just going to need to try to tank up on air and really try to take in air so you can properly support those notes. It's very different playing in the low register than it is playing in that low mid-ish register from low C to G in the staff, and it's very different from playing from G to C in the staff. So really work on bringing in the right amount of air, having the right amount of air support, and we'll talk about air support on a Let's Investigate episode very soon here. Okay, so leave questions and comments in the comment section down below, and I hope this is a useful practice tool. Once again, this will be a part of a playlist, a guided practice for buzzing playlist, which more buzzing guided practices will be added to as time goes on. But these past 3 sessions, this one and the previous 2, are very useful for a warm-up or for a regular practice session workout, buzzing your mouthpiece. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.